That thing even surprise.
Hey!
Bye-bye.
70 years old man.
Our teacher tell us that we should bring chicken.
Chicken.
Yes, for practical.
Practical.
Yes.
Hey!
Is it that the chicken bigger and that's our score bigger?
Wait here. As the chicken big and rich, that is how your score go big and rich.
Oh, big.
Hey!
That's when teacher want chop chicken.
What do we hear of this?
Wait you. Not only you be all of you.
All of us in the class.
Wait you. Imagine all of you bring one chicken.
Hey!
Hey!
Not be juju be
I
that.
get style, you know, you get system. Imagine how all of you go bring one chicken for that class. Hey!
He shock you.
You say you go shop, you go sell.
70 years old man.
Wait you. Now life one have you no
Live one.
life one.
Yes.
Hey!
If I thought say chicken they hungry and
What
now
do we have
we
this?
just gather the chicken for them.
70 years old
Hey,
man.
Gabriel!
Hey! She what? Sorry.
Now what did happen?
Hey!
Yes, I never tell you.
Oh, I'm not too much.
Ah, that teacher want chop chicken oh. That teacher want chop chicken.
For this Christmas, I'll be waiting.
He
I
shock
said
you.
they should bring chicken, one chicken.
You want to celebrate Christmas to for school? I'm waiting.
I don't know. Me self, I never see chicken chop here. Don't place of the one why I go get t-shirt.
Is it all of you, all those people that have been? Everyone I want.
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
I'm not gonna be out.
Emmanuel, are you
I see a son, now he go tell you.
Hey!
I mean, leave me alone. Go ask your son.
Hey!